Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Elena and I'm really excited about today's video because if you haven't guessed already, I am doing another Guess haul. I'm so excited about this one because I haven't really done one on accessories and I got quite a few accessories and a couple of pieces from Guess Factory. I even got this outfit here, which is actually from the Guess store, so I'll be sharing that with you later too. I decided to just throw it in there because it's so cute. So if you want to see what I got from Guess Factory, then let's get right to it. Alright, let's go ahead and start with these. So these are a pair of aviator sunglasses, and when I saw them, I decided I just absolutely had to have them. They have the little G encrusted logo, and the sides have this really super cute crystals. And yeah, they are just adorable. I know we're heading into winter, but that doesn't mean you can't wear sunglasses, especially with the snow. Where I live, we get snow and it is super reflective, so sunglasses are even great in the winter. I love this style. I love the color, that it's like a purple color and it's not just too dark. I don't know if I like glasses that are like completely black at the front. I either like them brown or just a little bit lighter. They look better in person than they do on this camera, but yeah, they're so cute. What do you guys think of these? Plus they came with a super cute case to keep them nice and safe and scratch free. It's like a really sturdy case too. And it has the Guess logo and like it's embossed too, so cute. Next up, because winter is coming, I did get a little wintry hat. I love the pearls and the little rhinestone details. They also had this in a cream color, but I picked up the pink one just because I thought it would be so cute. Normally winter hats like this, I feel like they're too bulky and they just don't look right on me. I love the size, I love the fit of this hat. I think it's so cute. The little pearls just make it so girly, and yeah, I cannot wait to wear this. I will be wearing this all winter. Going along with that, I got a few hats. These are just baseball caps. I wear these all the time. When I'm at work, I wear baseball caps a lot. I love this one because it has the colorful Guess logo. I do have like a little wristlet that I have that kind of matches this, and I love the white color. I really wanted a white hat, so that's what this one looks like. I'm gonna try to show you. Hopefully you can see it against the white background. I know it's like really hard to see, but here's how the white hat looks with all the colors on it. How cute is this, guys? Like, I love it so much. I love the rainbow detailing on it, and I love that it's white. I just think it's adorable. Then I also got this really cute pink one. It has the little silver logo on it. Just a plain hat, but you know I love pink, so I had to go with this one too. And the fit of these is just really cute. Some hats, they look flat and like smashed to your head. This one is so cute. I love the fit of these. Here is how the pink hat looks. I feel like it looks so much better in person. If only I could show you what it actually looks like, because I absolutely love this. Even the back has like the nice silver clasp there, so this is really cute. And inside, look at that. All right, this one I was like, I kept putting in my cart, taking it out of my cart. I was like, am I gonna like this? And then I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try it. Even though we're getting into winter, I decided to go with this really cute tote bag. It's like a, I don't know what you call this. I always forget. It's iridescent. But the reason I really got this is because I loved this thing right here. I think this is such a cute little change purse, coin purse. You can put a lot of tiny little items in there, which I like. So I'll probably be putting that on my keys when I'm not using this bag. But it's kind of a cool bag. It's lined in pink. It just reminded me so much of a little Barbie vibe, which I really like. You can use this in the summer. You can use it for a lot of different reasons. I'm gonna go ahead and take the packing out so you could see what it looks like, but I don't know, I just really liked this for some reason. And then here is the Guess handbag up close. I love this. This is so cute to put on keys, or you could leave it like this, but I'm gonna put it on my keys. Without all the packing inside, it looks like this. It's super sturdy. Look at the back. It has the Guess logo embossed on it, and I know this is for summer or a vacation, and it's not really a winter bag, but still I'm gonna save it and use it next year, because who doesn't want to wear something like this to the pool or when you're traveling on vacation? I think this is the perfect little bag. I also picked up these adorable shoes. When I saw these, I had to have them. I love this hot pink and white little thing on the back and also on the tongue of the shoe. I love how it has the hot pink Guess logo there and on the back of the shoe. How pretty is that, you guys? Like, this is so gorgeous. It has the Guess logo right there. I love this sneaker. It's kind of a chunky sneaker. To be honest, I am not a huge fan of the chunky sneaker. I'm not a person that's really into trends. I really have to like something to buy it. I kind of go by my own style. I don't really go by what's popular unless it's something that's like really cute and I want to try it. But the chunky sneaker just isn't my thing. It kind of took it too far. So I think this is a good balance because it's a little bit like more chunky than I would normally wear, but also the details on it make it really classic too. So you can wear this through the years and it's not really gonna go out of style because it's not really like a trend piece, but I am obsessed with this right here. I love it. This is what the shoes look like. I think they're so cute. I love this detailing on the back. Like, how cute is that? Okay, I'm gonna show you the last accessory that I bought and then I'll go ahead and show you a couple of the clothing pieces I got because I did get just a few of those. And the last accessory piece I got was this little set, which when I saw it, I became absolutely obsessed with it. And it has these little heart earrings right there. And then it has this Tiffany inspired, this reminds me of like the Tiffany heart bracelets, the little beaded bracelets. These little beads are my favorite type of jewelry. I love beaded jewelry. I think it's so pretty and so feminine. I just love these types of jewelry pieces. And then there's also one that has a heart in the middle. And then this one just has like little rhinestones on it. But this set was so cute, so pink, so girly. I didn't even realize that these are 3 different colored metals. The bottom one is the silver, the middle one is a gold, and then this one is like a mix between silver and gold. I don't know exactly the color, but it's like a goldish silver. So, and also I did not see the triangle. So one side has the little circle and then the other side has the little triangle, and I love the little triangle. Love that cute little heart. And then these are the earrings. How cute are those? All right, moving on to the clothing items. This was the first item I put in my cart and it was these pants, workout pants. They are, I don't know how to explain them. They're like a really nice material. Like, I really like these. I love this logo right here, but look at the detailing on the bottom here. It's mesh and it says Guess on the side. These are so cute and it has the same detailing on both sides. I'll try these on for you guys so that you can see what they look like. As for the pants, this is what they look like. They have the Guess logo on the side. They're just all open mesh. I love this right here. I wish I had a pair of plain black ones that just had this logo, but I just thought these were so cute. Just kind of different. I have a lot of black leggings that I wear every day, but I like the fact that these have just a little bit of a different element. I love black and white together. I think it's so pretty, so classic. It reminds me of like race cars and just that very sporty look, which I like sometimes. I can be very girly, but I also have a super sporty, like I like black, red, and white. I just love those colors. That's why I bought this outfit right here. But yeah, I have a couple different vibes and that's one of them. I also got this mesh little top and I like the mesh in it, but I also like the sweetheart detailing right there. I think it just gives it an extra element and makes it really a little bit more dressy. I thought this would just be cute once things open up again, to be able to wear this out with like a nice leather skirt or a cute pair of jeans, and it'll just make the outfit look really dressy and pretty. Here is the bodysuit. I think it's really pretty. I feel like I made the mistake of buying a size small. The one thing I liked about this one is it has an adjustable like thing on the bottom, so there's different buttons, so you can like snap it in 3 different places depending on your height. But I still think that it's a little bit too small for me, and I probably would have gone with a medium because this neck thing is just like too tight on my neck. And I do this with all my bodysuits. I always buy a size medium because I'm 5'7". And even though I wear an extra small or small and everything on top, bodysuits, I always buy a medium because for some reason, they never make them long enough. Also, really quickly, I'm gonna show you the outfit that I'm wearing. This is from the Guess store, not Guess Factory, but I just fell in love with this outfit, so I decided that I had to have it once I saw it. And it is this really cute vest. I'm glad that they were sold out of the small because this is a size medium and I actually like how it fits. It has like the Guess lining, which I didn't even realize when I saw it on the website, but it makes it even cuter than it is. It's kind of a cropped vest, and it was matching with these pants. Look at how cute this outfit is together. It has the Guess logo right there in like that jelly type of material. It has a nice thick hood. This is just such a cute little top, and then it came with these pants which have mesh right there. Like, how cute are these, guys? This set is just adorable, and then the rest is just red. But yeah, I love this outfit together. I think it looks so cute, and I'm really excited that I got this. Okay guys, so that's all I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I love Guess. It is probably my favorite brand. I will say I love this brand to death. I buy from them all the time because I love their clothing, their accessories. It's just so cute and totally my style. So if you liked this video and you want to see more like it, go ahead and give it a like. Also comment down below, let me know what other types of hauls you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Set those alert settings so you know when a new video is coming out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.